Hey everyone, this time on Tim Talks Audio, we'll go through the steps of installing Toontracks EZ-Drummer 2. I've noticed a lot in a number of Facebook groups that some users who have the VXD extension for Artist or Prime, or are running Pro, are having some difficulties installing and running EZ-Drummer 2 in their Studio One sessions. This video will walk you through the steps of downloading, installing, and loading up an instance of EZ-Drummer 2 inside Studio One. I'll interrupt myself here and say that this is not a paid advertisement video. I'm doing this for you guys and have not been supplied with anything from Toontrack. What I am going to do is download the trial of EZ-Drummer 2. I'm going to fast forward through this part because downloading should be pretty self-explanatory. I'll also state that I'm running MacOS, so the install process will be different for our Windows users. The key thing is knowing where you've installed EZ-Drummer and making sure that Studio One has that VST folder associated to it. Now that my download's complete, I'm going to run the installer and put EZ-Drummer in my system. So on Mac, when you open up the disk image, you'll see these icons: the installer, uninstaller, the README file, and the contents folder. You should take the time to read the README file yourself. Let's go ahead and install EZ-Drummer 2. In this window, you'll be able to choose the types of plugin from EZ-Drummer you can install. By default, VSTs will be on. If you're running Mac, you have the option of also installing the Audio Units plugin. And if you're also running a system using Pro Tools, you can choose to install the AAX or RTAS style plugins. This system is not running Pro Tools, so I'll take those options off. And for me, I only need the VST option, so I'll also take off the Audio Units. The other important part is the location where I'm going to install. You can choose to install on your direct drive, but I'm going to go with my external drive because I know I have more space there, and all of my other installers and plugins and sound files and everything music related that I work with is on this external drive. Now that our installation's complete, we'll close this out and we'll hop into Studio One. Let's go ahead and create a new song. Okay, now if we've done everything correct, we'll find EZ-Drummer in our Instruments subcategory in the browser. Here we go. Toontracks, EZ-Drummer demo. We'll drag it and drop onto its own track. And here it is, just waiting to get activated. I'm going to jump ahead and activate my trial. And here we go. We have EZ-Drummer in and available to us. Something you'll want to check if you don't see Toontracks folder in the Instrument submenu is going into your preferences and verifying the location of your VST plugins. This will be slightly different for every user, especially when you're going from Mac versus PC. And there you have it. It should be pretty straightforward. The most important thing is knowing that Studio One is looking in the correct folder for the VST plugin. EZ-Drummer itself will know where its sample library is because of the installation process. That's all for now. If you found this video informative, please like and share this video. If you have a question, please ask in the comments and I'll answer it in a future video. Thanks for watching.